So I have an announcement to make. I was talking with Doc Jabi and I asked her, Doc, can we do something for tourism workers? You know, kasi as a travel agency tour operator, we talk to a lot of you. Now we do the contracted rates, when we book a guest, or maybe when we rebook an airline or ferry ticket. So all of you are really part of the community of Hello PH. So I'm happy to announce that Hello PH, in collaboration with Circle of Hope, we are preparing Resilience Journey webinars. Now, I really like to think of them more like classrooms. So, Resilience Journey classrooms. The goal of the classroom is to help participants discover more about their mental health and learn more about mindfulness. The format of the Resilience Journeys classroom is going to be 6 sessions. Each session is going to be like an hour long lang, maybe an hour and a half, baka mapasarap yung usapan, di ba? And then, every 2 weeks only. Bakit 2 weeks? Well, we want you to learn something and then, think about it, practice it for 2 weeks. Yung 1 week kasi every week, it's too short eh. The insights that you get are deeper kasi when you think about it for 2 weeks. Also, yung 2 weeks na, kailangan na ng recharge. Diba? So, diba, sa umpisa, para wow, ang sarap. Diba? I learned something and then, pababayan. And that's usually around the 2 weeks. So, recharge tayo every 2 weeks. And then, hopefully, after the 6 sessions, 6 classrooms, okay na kayo. You know how to recharge yourselves. Okay? So if you're interested in joining the Resilience Journey classroom, click on the link that says Resilience Journey Registration. It might be below in the description of the YouTube or somewhere on the social media post, depending on where you view this video. The upcoming Resilience Journey classroom is going to take off on May 28. That is a Friday at 5 p.m. The whole journey will be May 28, the 2nd and 4th Fridays of June and July, and will end on August 13. Now, special announcement for Hello PH, Tuloy pa rin tayo partners. Hello PH will be sponsoring slots for the Tuloy pa rin partners. May libreng slot kayo. So just wait for the phone call or for the email for your free slot. Now, we won't be able to fit everyone who registers for the May 28th takeoff. But don't worry, we have many more of these resilience journeys planned. We just don't have the dates. All the more important for you to register because somewhere in that form, we will ask you, would you like to join the May 28th takeoff? And if not, what day and time is good for you to give an hour, hour and a half every 2 weeks for your resilience journey? Your registration also puts you on top of the waiting list for the next scheduled resilience journeys. Now, this will be very helpful for us to figure out which dates to schedule the next resilience journey takeoffs. Okay? Now, if you're not a tourism worker, it's okay. You can still register. Because mental health and mindfulness is for everyone. These things kasi, mga ganitong bagay, para sa lahat. Okay? So, mangyari lang dyan, yung classmates mo, puro travel and tourism. Pero okay lang yan. Masayang grupo yan. Okay, that's it for my announcements. Guys, don't forget your homework, ha? Stay calm and cheerful. Have a safe trip, Pinas. Ingat. Amping.